Guys, what's up? So this is the beautify filter probably you are looking for. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get this filter. So before we find out how we get this filter, let me remove this filter. I need to remove my SIM card. Okay. Now let me close TikTok and let me open a VPN. Now let's go to TikTok again. Okay, let's hit the camera button, and as you can see my beautify filter is gone, so we need to get it back. So I'll go to the VPN app again and tap on this flag button. Now I'll choose India. Okay, now we are connected to India. Now let's go to TikTok again. Let's close TikTok. Open TikTok again. Okay, let's go to camera. As you can see, it's written enhance here. This is the filter. Some places it's writing beautify, some places it's writing enhance. So that's it, guys. Likewise, you can get this filter on TikTok. Basically, if you are in a country where this feature is not yet available, you can use VPN of India, because it's available in India, and you can use this feature. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.